Hey there, boys and girls. I am the Virginia Creeper, and this is another episode of Hope on a Rope. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to make goose legs. Most people don't eat the goose legs, and I think that's a sin. I think the legs are probably the best part. So what we're taking here is the goose legs themselves that have been cleaned and checked for shot, and we're going to put them in a crock pot. Once we get a first layer of goose legs in the crock pot, we're going to take our favorite salsa. Make sure it's a chunky salsa because this is going to cook for about 8 hours, and we want the chunks to be left over. We don't want them just to disintegrate. Personally, I like a nice medium salsa. Second layer is going in. We're just going to layer this in. We're going to build some flavor. These legs are going to cook for about 8 hours. So once they get to going, all this salsa is going to get permeated into the meat, and it's going to make some delicious goose empanadas. This is the easiest recipe for these goose legs, and you are going to love it. So we're going to cover this, and we're going to cook it for about 8 hours. And you're going to notice that when you're cooking it, the meat is going to fall right off the bone. And here we have the meat that is already cooked. If you enjoy outdoor content with a flair of cooking, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. So here we're taking the meat off the bone, and what we're going to do is just kind of check it for any splinters. These legs were all in good shape, so there shouldn't be any bone splinters or any shot in the legs. I picked out the legs that weren't shot up. So we're going to go through, remove the big pieces of fat and kind of shred it. After we do this, we're going to actually end up taking 2 forks and shredding it down real good. So here's the paste that we have that's shredded, and what we're going to do with that is add some cheese to it, and we're going to mix that up pretty good. At this point, you can add whatever you'd like to into it. You can actually add more salsa if you want. You can add some cilantro, some vegetables like peas, carrots, whatever you like. But I'm just making a Mexican theme empanada. You buy these shells anywhere they are sold, which is typically any supermarket that has an ethnic now. You get them in the freezer section. You can roll these out and make them a little bit bigger. We're going to be serving these up at a party. It's a sugaring party. We're doing some maple syrup. That'll be the next video coming up. But you just take a fork and you press the edges down real nice here, and that's going to seal it in, so when you fry these up, all that goodness is going to stay inside. Get yourself a container, put them in the container, and you can leave them in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook them. You can also freeze these. So if you have any of the meat left over, some of the best way to do this is just freeze the meat, and if you want to make tacos or quesadillas or anything that's salsa flavored, you can just thaw the meat out and add it to it and cook it up. I had a bunch of enchiladas that we did with the leftover meat from this. But yeah, just seal the edges down. They don't have to be pretty, but when they come out of the fryer, they're going to look beautiful. Little hand pies, empanadas. If you've never had them, you're going to really enjoy them. So here's one I cooked up for you. It's got a great crunch to it, and you can see all that cheesy, goosey goodness in there. And this tastes like some of the best roast beef you've ever had. So it's really delicious there. So we're going to head on over to the party, and let's show you how we cook these up. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually getting all my stuff ready here. I got a draining rack. I got the oil. We just got done frying up a bunch of alligator and fish here.
So what I do is,
yeah, we're going to get this going, and I'll show you.
I'm hoping they don't taste like fish because we just fried a bunch of fish up. But we're gonna find out. Yeah, just so I just take the legs, crock pot, and big jar of salsa. Cook them for 8 hours. Pull all the meat off. Shred them with a fork. You can put them in anything at that point. Tacos.
Yeah.
Whatever. It all works.
Salsa.
Hot salsa.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. So when you get the meat out, it's still got the onions, peppers, all that good stuff. Yeah. Yeah. They're good, man. I've been eating too many. I made a bunch the other day, just like trial run.
Where'd you seal them? Did you seal them
With the fork. No.
Did you wet it? Or just put it together?
Yep. Yeah. So you buy these at Walmart, and then you just take your fork. You roll them out a little bit, make them a little bit bigger. So no, you didn't have to wet them. They're really sticky. Like whatever that empanada dough is, it's sticky.
So, how are you supposed to put this on the fish? Or is it fish first? Just using that?
No, you can put any sauce you want. This is gator.
Those are for.
Are those?
All right, buddy. What do you think of the goose empanada?
Very good, crispy crunch. The meat is a good consistency. Very well done.
There you go.
Tastes just like goose.
Just there you go. That's great. Yeah. You gonna put anything on it? You should try it naked first. Try it naked first. We'll keep the dirty theme going.
Yeah. All right.
Very good, man.
That's
There
good.
was some pickle, dill pickle about it.
Oh, there you go. Is it good?
Did you try that yet? The dill pickle about it?
Yes. Need sour cream?
Well, I like sour cream.
Uh-huh.
So I put sour cream. Oh,
Whoa! I think it need
Follow
to
the
be.
theme.
That's right.
we got a theme going.
Is it good? Did you like it though?
Yes, that was very good.
Mr. Fitchy, you gotta get yourself a goose empanada.
Oh, I think I will. I didn't know it was goose.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
You want to there you can have a whole one, you can cut one in half,
I'm gonna
whatever you
have
want
a
to do.
half.
There you
Maybe I'll
go.
have
Here,
a half.
here's that.
Fishing.
You can just cut them in half there.
Oh yeah. Wow, that is really.
Yeah, let me know what you think.
It's a work for it. I don't like goose anything.
So I made them with the goose legs, because everybody always
really?
gets rid of the legs, you know. I think it's such a shame because I think the goose legs taste better than the breast
I eat
myself.
the legs.
Love the legs.
Yeah, I just cook them longer.
Yeah. Yep.
Kind of reseal.
So I started making them years ago, and man, everybody eats them. They're like, that's not goose legs. I'm like, oh yes, it is.
No, it's delicious.
That's good, isn't it?
Not tough at all.
No.
Man.
No. What you doing? Yeah. So that's yeah. Got you there eating. So how was it?
It was great.
It was great.
Best thing I've eaten in years.
There you go. What'd you think of the goose empanada?
Man, these are awesome.
There you go.
Great job, Chris.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I want to get a.
Try the Verde, man.
Is that better?
Oh yeah. Verde's the good stuff. Come on, you can do it. It's not child safe.
I know, man. This is when I show my age right here. Oh, there we go. Trying to open a plastic.
Goose empanada, buddy.
Right on. I've been waiting all day for this.
Honest review.
Oh, man. That's better than a restaurant.
That's goose legs.
That's better than a restaurant.
You'll never throw another leg away again, will you? That's good, right?
Really good.
Yeah.
That's really good, man. Good
Yeah.
job.
They're going quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a good turnout here, man.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people. A lot of people. All right, I'm filming you, buddy. You're gonna be a movie star.
Is this for the show?
Yep. So you can try it naked first, and then you can put some stuff on if you want.
Man, that smells good.
That's goose.
Just a little wild tinge to it. You know, I know it's going to be good because you made it. I can smell that wild game. What is this, goose?
Goose thighs.
Goose thighs.
Quarters, leg quarters.
I gotcha. Am I going to hit any triple BB?
You
in this?
shouldn't.
Okay.
You shouldn't. No guarantees, but you shouldn't.
Here's to it. Damn. Are you kidding me?
They're good. You never throw another leg away again, will you?
I don't.
I hate when people do.
I usually slow cook on mine, but I didn't realize I could do this with it.
So that's leg quarters, crock pot, jar of salsa, 8 hours. That's all it is. Put some.
kidding me?
Let her get in there.
Fill one of these. I won't eat it, but I will.
Oh, you got to eat
the
it.
difference?
Here's a half right here. The only difference is the two different brands of shells. They're the same flavor.
Okay.
Yep.
Even need
I'll
it.
take this to him.
Yep.
I don't even. It doesn't even need any sauce.
So yeah, so you just take the bones out, shred it with 2 forks, and you can freeze the meat.
Recipe?
It's so easy.
The legs of the goose.
It's gonna be on a video. You're gonna be on a video, buddy. Hey, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be kind, get a kid outdoors. God bless.